Look at the soap, so. I'm look up for the man. I'm going to say for the soap. Look road. Yo, I saw me about it, yo, who can't be the one? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ty here, back with another video for you all. Now I'm back with the story times, guys. I know y'all like the story times. I know more shape. Not pay that no mind, but anyways, this is gonna be one of the most embarrassing story times to me. All of my story times are very embarrassing when you check it out, yo. Like, I'm always failing. I've never win. I've never gained anything. Nothing, but whatever. If you're new here, touch the like button, touch the subscribe button, and guys, comment something in the comment section, guys. I like when you guys comment. I reply to all comments if you haven't realized. And what kind of warning that? Anyways, I'm not gonna pay maybe a tornado warning or something when I get an alert from my phone. But anyways, this story time is about how I dropped the soap in the bathroom. Yo, dropped the soap in the bathroom, and there was like 10 bagger man, 10 bagger man, lone dudes in the bathroom at the moment. Getting straight to the story, right? So now, guys, this was back when I was in high school, right? And for those of you who don't know, I used to do track and field. I used to run, you see me? I am supreme, I'm fast. But anyways, I used to do track and field back in high school, and yeah, I was kind of like the captain or something like that. Yeah, brief moment. My school wasn't really big in track and field, but yeah, whatever. I used to do track and field, right? Yo, one day after training, yo, and mind sharp, I don't really take showers. I don't really use the school bathroom, guys. I don't do that, yo. I don't really use the school bathroom and take showers. But I was really sweaty, like I'm sweating now because I'm in the car and I wind up the glasses. But anyways, I was really sweaty and I was like, yo, I'm going to halfway tree. And for those who don't come from Jamaica, halfway tree is where you go hang out after school and look girls. You see me? Yeah. I come correspond with your friends. So I say look girls, these and peace, you know. But you go halfway tree, go chill after school. Every evening after school, especially on Fridays. That's where we go and after school. Anyways, so after training, I was like, yo, take a quick shower. Alright, so now I'm in the bathroom. Finished training everything, yes. Cool down. Stretch down. I know about track and field ready for the track and field. And stretch and clean and everything. I said, alright, I'm going to shower. Going in the bathroom now. The bathroom is very big, you know. It's very big. You have like 5 different showers on this side and 5 on the next side. You understand? So a man can take shower at the same time. Jesus Christ. That's all that we are ready. But a lot of guys can take shower. A lot of different people can take showers at the same time in the bathroom, per se. I didn't have any rag or anything because I wasn't prepared to take a shower, okay, guys? So I only got a bar of soap from the school. Yeah, the school provided food. Cause I track and field, yeah. So I'm there. Start shower and thing. Take off my clothes. And then my underpants. Me never naked. I had on my underpants. You see me? I say Calvin Klein, I'm a thing, yeah, with my sexy fat muscle, them ladies. But anyways, as I was saying, I'm there taking my shower and everything, right? The bar of soap only, you know, soap up. Water cold. Me already there. I was the only one there at first. There, soaping up and everything, you know, with the bar of soap and everything. And go on, the water feels sweet because it start off cold. You know, you go on the water and sight it. You know them style it? Sight water, yeah, that did not go on. Alright, so then I'm start shower now. Me I soap up and everything, right? Boom! One man forward in. I love my dinner dog. I mean I try to come out fast, you know. One man forward in. I deal with that. I'm good, man, I'm there. I mind my own business name, but him heal me. So man, I gotta heal him back too. Do a beard and thing. 2 more man come in. Jesus Christ. You know me, I love man already, you know, people. That woman that walk her dog up her dog and shit. But you know me and love man already enough people. Then I go on a bill. Dead. All me can see the bathroom full of beer man. All I shower them active. Every man a shower. Me I try move fast now. Some start soap my body faster. Soap drop. This soap go drop. Yo. Soap go drop. I'm gonna finish soap up myself yet and beer man in the bathroom. And you know me is dirty down there, bro. Me can hear about them something you go in a prison when man they at jail and soap drop and man reach him and one bag of XYZ and A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Ah boy. Yo, the soap drop. Let's look at the soap, so. I'm look up and look around for the man. I'm gonna set a look at the soap. I'm look around. Soap. Look around. Soap. Look around. Yo, I saw me about it, yo, who can't be the one? Yo, I know I say other prison but there anything, I know that school me did there, you know. But I couldn't understand exactly how the process go through, you know, yo. It's like, soap. Look around, I'm sweat too hard, shit. No, again in the car. Damn. But anyways, yeah, back to the story. Now, man, them start look for me away, you know. We kind of say, I wonder if my, you know, my head, I say, what them mean to really think? You might go bed up and pick up the soap or something. And something that my head, I think about it too, you know, for the man to go laugh after me and go tell the whole school, say, oh, Tyre drop soap in the bathroom and bed over in front of beer. I must say mad. Me want to be the talk at school, and everybody know me. I must say mad. Oh gosh. There. I don't know. Let's make that stay. Let's make the soap stay and just cut that. But let's make the soap stay. Rinse off myself. Let's go change the clothes and shop. What you would I do, yo? What would you do? Would you take that soap up? I wouldn't do that. No. When I do that, yo. Man, don't do that. Look at me a sweat, man. I know, they're hot. They're hot. I don't want to wind under the outside. Make too much noise. But, shit. Sorry for the noise, but me I sweat too hard. There's him at the cool breeze. Ah, boy. After all of that, people, we shower everything. I'm go outside, right? Go outside now. I wait. And then school come out. Cause school is over. We train after school. Okay, we don't train like during school. We train after school. Training takes place after school, guys. Now, I went out, changed my clothes, you know, left everybody else in their shower and thing, you know, cause them are show them good. Changed my clothes now outside. I wait. My friends them are forward now. So I make it never take up a soap. But for the man, I'm say, you serious, dad? I know say you first one I go ball out and laugh after me, brother. I know you first I go laugh. I know you first I go spread the news. Why you want me to bend over in front of you, man, and take up soap? I say, man, a big man, brother, when you beard, brother, no man, none of them things there, so. I say, yeah, you say that, no. Them man, they, yo, when you know them things there, this school of me, they go, brother. The least little thing you miss up on, I'm sorry for you. The least little thing you miss up on, yo, the least incident they do, the whole school know. The least little thing that everybody know. From teacher, from this, all the dean. Oh gosh. But yeah, that was the story. I try and get that story out there for you guys. And if you are new, I upload every 2 days and I go live every 2 nights. So if I upload a video today, like you're watching this video now, I'm going live tomorrow. Then I'm gonna upload the video. So I post every single day. You see me? That's one reason why if you subscribe to my channel. You see me? I say I like the video and comment on the video them. I'm gonna shout nothing on the video them. Sorry, I'm gonna stop like the on-screen shoutouts because I'm trying to use my phone edit now because it runs more smoother. You understood? When I buy myself a MacBook, you dig, which is soon, I'm not ramping. I take YouTube very serious, you see me? I love my subscribers low, but you have to start somewhere, though. Yeah. What else we can talk about? We're going some more shoutouts now. One out there, shout out to Tefdan Comedy. You see me as a people, the baddest comedian in Jamaica to me. Shout out to all who come from my live at night time. Emma, KD and Smith, KDK Lifestyle. You see me I say? KD It Gang, Justina. What go on there, so? Oh, you know how some stare D number. What go on there, so? It's the best. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Johnny. Shout out to Shavel. Shout out to Fully Charge. See me shout out to Be Love Dreamers. I know she stopped coming from my video and everything. I don't know where I gone. Like, where you gone? You're still there. Coming back. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Becky. You see me I say? Ricardo. Everybody. Big up on yourself. Jaleja. Yo, PUBG team large. You see me I say? Yeah. And the video reached 10 minutes now. So you don't know things set, you know. Peace.